In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect TikTok with Whop step by step, so you can link your account quickly and get verified without confusion. This is a simple process, but I'll walk you through every click so you can follow along whether you're on desktop or mobile. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to whop.com. Then log into your account. Once you're inside Whop, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile avatar or icon. This will open your account menu. In that drop-down, you'll see a small gear icon right next to your username. Click that gear icon to open your account settings. Now you're in the account management area. On the left-hand sidebar, look for Connected Accounts and click on it. This section shows all of the social platforms and integrations that Whop supports. Scroll through the available options until you find TikTok. When you see it, click the Add button or the plus icon next to it. This starts the connection process. At this point, Whop needs to verify that the TikTok account belongs to you. So the next step is to open TikTok. You can do this on tiktok.com in your browser or through the app on your phone. Go to your profile page and copy your full TikTok profile URL. It should look something like https://www.tiktok.com/@your-username. Make sure you copy the full link exactly as it appears. Then return to your Whop tab and paste that TikTok profile URL into the input field. After that, click Add. Whop will now generate a unique 6-digit verification code on your screen. Copy that code carefully, because you'll need to place it into your TikTok bio for verification. Now switch back to TikTok. Go to your profile and tap or click Edit Profile. Find the bio text field and temporarily paste the 6-digit code somewhere inside your bio. It can be at the beginning, in the middle, or at the end, as long as the code is there and saved. Once you've added it, save the changes on TikTok. After that, go back to Whop and click Verify. Whop will check your TikTok profile to make sure the code matches. If everything is correct, you'll see a success message confirming that the connection worked. That means your TikTok account is now linked to Whop. Once the integration is complete, you can go back to TikTok one more time, open Edit Profile again, and remove the verification code from your bio. This keeps your profile clean while still maintaining the connected account on Whop. And that's it. Your TikTok account is now connected to Whop successfully. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.